Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Lenovo Tab M10 tablet. In this video, you will learn how to switch off or power off your tablet Lenovo Tab M10. First of all, go to the notification area and you will find soft key, this soft key. Okay, just click on it and power off option will be available. If you click on it, your tablet will be powering off, that is switching off. Okay, also you can switch off using this power button. Just long press this power button and you will have the power off menu, and click on the power off button and click on shutdown, and your tablet will be switched off. So in this way you can easily switch off or power off your tablet. You have two methods: through notification area, clicking on soft key you can power off. Otherwise you can use this hard key, that is power key. If you long press it, the power off menu will appear, and there you can select power off, then click on shutdown. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.